Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have written a Python program to find greatest of given two numbers by using if statement and smallest of given two numbers by using if statement. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video links in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. First, I will open the Python interpreter, and you know the procedure how to open the Python interpreter, right? So first we'll be clicking on Python. In that one, ideally Python 3.12 64-bit, and Python interpreter will be opened. So this is an Python interpreter. Click on File and then New File, or can use the shortcut key Control N. If you want, you can close this interpreter, or else you can leave it as it is. So this is a new file which I am going to create. So here I will write a program to find an greatest of given two numbers by using simple if statement. So first I will write the program name as an comment hash Python program to find greatest of given two numbers. Greatest of given two numbers. Python program to find greatest of given two numbers using if statement. Using if statement. So here I will be requiring three variables. So two variables for the purpose of reading a values and one variable for the purpose of storing the greatest of given two numbers. So first I will write a space into, so space, after that into, open the bracket, within that one we will be writing input, open the bracket, within a double quotes, enter first number, one space, double quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close, press enter, b space equal to space into, bracket open, input, open the bracket, within the double quotes, enter second number, space, double quotes close, bracket close, bracket close. And you want to know more information regarding this input statement, you can watch the previous videos in my YouTube channel. So first statement will be reading a value and that will be stored in variable a. Second statement will be reading a value that will be stored in b. Then I will take grt as another variable and I assign the value of a to that one. It means grt equal to a. That means I am assuming the greatest number is a. Then I will write if space condition. So condition I will write b greater than a colon, press enter. So you can see the indentation space there, right? Or else you can just press the backspace, you come to the first cursor. The cursor will be in the first position of the next line, okay? Then you can press tab space, like this also you can use. So here I will write grt equal to b. It means if b is greater than a, then I am assigning the value of b to great. Press enter. Again press the backspace. So if this particular condition becomes true, then I am assigning b value to grt. Otherwise, if this condition becomes false, then this particular statement is not executed. That means grt will be a itself. So here in the next line I will write print, open bracket, within the double quotes, greatest, within the double quotes, greatest number is, double quotes close, comma, grt, close the bracket. So to more information regarding a print, you can watch the previous videos in my YouTube channel with respect to print function. right? So if you want, you can give the space here, that is after writing b space greater space a, then here also you can give the space grt space equal to space b. It is only for the visibility, not for any other purpose. Okay, to make it appear neater and it should be clearly visible, for that purpose you can use the space. Otherwise, if you don't want, you cannot. If you don't want to wish to use the space, then you don't use the space. So I'll save the program. Shortcut key is Ctrl S. So I'll save the program as TWOGRT. That means greatest of two numbers, right? You can give any name. Click on save. Now to run the program, the shortcut key is, this is the function key F5, or else you can click on run and then run module. So first I will use the shortcut key F5. So this is the interpreter which has been opened. Enter first number, I'll give 10. Enter the second number, I'll give 45. That means now the A value is 10 and B value is 45. That means what? This particular condition, B greater than A, this will become true. Now what happens? The 45 is greater than A, this condition becomes true, therefore GRT is equal to B. That means the value of GRT will be equal to 45. Then it will come to this statement, print. It will print greatest number is 45. So you can just check, when you press enter, it is displaying greatest number is 45. Okay, if you want to run once again, come to the script mode. So instead of using the shortcut, I will use by clicking on run in the file menu, then run module option in the list. So now enter the first number. So here I will give 20. Enter the second number, I will give 5. That means now the greatest is 20. So that means what? A value is 20 and B value is 5. So now GRT is equal to A. That means I am assigning 20 to GRT. Now I am checking if B greater than A. So 5 greater than 20. So the condition becomes false. That means the if block statement, this one, is not executed, right? Because B greater than A, 20 greater than 5, condition becomes false. The if block statement is not executed. It will come directly to the next statement followed by the if block. That means it will come to here, print, and this particular statement is executed. That means the greatest number is GRT. That means now it will display the greatest number is 20. You can observe greatest number is 20, right? So if you want, you can write the condition in this way, or else even you can also write like like this, if B greater than GRT, like this also you can write. Save and run again. So I'll give same 10 and 45. You can observe the result. So greatest number is 45. Again I will run that one. So giving again 20 and 5, you can observe the greatest number is 20. That means this condition, B greater than A, I have written first. Now I have made it as B greater than GRT. Both are same. Why means the GRT is having a value of A. We have assumed the greatest is A. Therefore, I can write B greater than GRT, or I can write B greater than A also. So this is an Python program to find greatest of given two numbers by using if statement. Now I will write another program, that is to find the smallest of given two numbers by creating a new file. So I have created a new file here, right? So I'll take this one, this particular file, and in this particular file I'll write the program. So first I will write an program name as a comment, hash Python program to find the smallest of given two numbers, smallest of given two numbers by using if statement, by using if statement. So first I will read two values by taking num1 and num2. That is the variable names. I will write num1 space equal to space int within a bracket input open the bracket within a single quotes enter first number space single quotes close bracket close again bracket close. So we'll read the next number similarly by writing num2 space equal to space int within a bracket input within a bracket within a single quotes enter second number space single quotes close bracket close again bracket close. To more information regarding the input functions, you can watch the previous video in my YouTube channel. Then now I will take a third variable SML to store the smallest of a number, and I assign the value of num1 to SML. That means I assume the smallest number is num1. Then next, now I will write the condition if num2 space less than space SML. That means if num2 is less than num1, that is the smallest number I have assumed as num1. So for that purpose I have written if num2 is less than small, that is SML colon, press enter. You can observe the indentation space there. So here now if this condition becomes true, that means smallest is num2, therefore we need to write small SML space equal to num2, press enter. If you continue here only, it will be in the if block, but we need to come out of the if block. For that purpose you have to press the backspace, then you need to write print open the bracket within a single quotes smallest number is single quotes close comma SML close the bracket. After that save this particular program. The shortcut key is Ctrl S. Give the name, for example I will give small TWO, press enter. The program is saved. Now to run the program, the shortcut key is F5, or else you can click on run option in the menu bar and a list will appear. In this list you need to select the option called run module. So it shows the interpreter. So I'll give here the first number as 45, enter, second number as 200. So now which one is the smallest? 45. So you can check by pressing the enter. It displays smallest number is 45, because here after reading, so num1 will be 45 and num2 will be 200 according to the values which I have given. So first I have written SML equal to num1, that means 45 is assigned to SML. Then if num2 is less than SML, so num2 is 200, if 200 is less than 45, condition becomes false. Therefore the if block statement is not executed. It executes the next statement followed by the if. So it is what it will be executing this print statement. So it is displaying the smallest number is SML. So that SML value is 45. Okay. So now I will run the program once again. Click on run and then run module. So now I will give the second number as the smallest. So I will give the first number as 30, second number as 22. Press enter. So now it is displaying smallest number is 22. How? So here, so this is 30, that is a num1 first number, then I have given 22, so that will be stored assigned to num2. Then I have written SML equal to num1, that means SML is equal to 30. Then I have written if num2 is less than SML, so num2 is 22, 22 is less than SML, SML is 30, 22 is less than 30, S condition becomes true, therefore it assigns num2 value to SML. So now the smallest equal to 22. Then afterwards it comes to the next statement, that is what? If. So this particular statement is executed, smallest number is, therefore it displays the output as 22. So in this way we can write the programs to find the greatest of given two numbers by using a if statement, and a program to find the smallest of given two numbers by using if statement in Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video links in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.